So what occurs when CPS opens a child welfare case against you for a general neglect or abuse? Well, here's the thing. We must be able to understand two things of what constitutes what part of the proceedings you're in. So the first very beginning is an investigation period. That's when they receive a referral, whether it's an immediate referral or a 10-day or from a 10-day response social worker. That is what you call a referral. They will investigate it, and they will receive the information and make determination if they need to do further investigation. So from there, they will open up a referral and dig a little deeper. Now, during this time period of that referral period, they are looking to see if the allegation that was made are sufficient enough or not sufficient enough, substantiated, unfounded, inconclusive, or unsubstantiated based off of the investigation. Whether it's domestic violence, whether it's physical abuse, whether it's general neglect, these are things that they are investigating. During this time period, you do have a right to counsel. You do have a right to have attorney present. You do have a right to remain silent. And also, most importantly, you do have the right to not allow the social worker to enter your home. A lot of parents are not aware of their rights as it relates to interacting with the social worker or the Department of Children and Family Services. But you do have these rights. Oftentimes, they do perform and allow you to know about these rights after the investigation is complete. And it will typically give you a pamphlet, Know Your Rights pamphlet as parents. Usually it's best to receive that pamphlet before you are being investigated, but oftentimes and too frequently, social workers give those pamphlets after they have conducted an investigation. Now, after they make determination that the case is substantiated and believe that court needs to interfere or intervene, then they will file what you call a petition or a complaint, but more so in this realm of law, a petition under WIC 300. This petition is to inform the court that they believe that there is allegation that essentially requires court intervention, and that without court intervention, the matter would not be resolved. Even though it's unlikely, it can still be resolved outside of court, but too frequently they make this request. And then at this point, you have an open court case. This open court case is the time period. If they decided, they'll do two things before filing a petition. They'll either take your kids away, and if they take your kids away, you have between 48 to 72 hours for your next court date. Whether it's if they take your kids on Thursday, your next court hearing will be probably on a Monday or Tuesday. On a Friday, make a court hearing maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. These are very important because at this point, if you have reason to believe that they're going to remove your child from your care, you have to make sure you start looking for a California CPS defense lawyer. You will be appointed a lawyer. There are some good ones and there are some bad court-appointed attorneys. It's all up to you. There are some good private attorneys as well as some bad private attorneys. The most important thing that you want to look for as it relates to an attorney is more so, do you feel like they can help you out? Do you feel like they are on your side? Do you feel like they're listening to you? These are things that you want to make sure you look out for when determining what you're turning to work with. Just because they're private, just because you pay money, does not necessarily mean that they are going to be good. At wshaw Law Firm, we're here to help, educate you guys, but also properly guide you from beginning to end. But most importantly, also fight for you. At wshaw Law Firm.